Gates open that up and racing inner class moving up sa totoo lang, running by the rail top notcher, then racing in third is entry number 6 Yellow Cat, followed now by the rail by Lady King. Inner class on the outside, Boss G comes next, Wonderlab in between runners is Stay at Home Ma'am, then comes Mr. Universe and Boss General is running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 600. Top Notcher now running by the rail. Sa totoo lang is on the outside, racing in third Yellow Cat, then running on the outside inner class. Boss G Wonderlab is by the rail as they turn for home. We have Sa totoo lang now leading the field. Running on the outside is Yellow Cat, then moving up inner class in between runners Wonderlab, Top Notcher, Boss G on the outside with 75 meters of the race. It's going to be Sa totoo lang. Inner class close between Yellow Cat, Boss G, and Wonderlab for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 3, 4, 6, 9, 7 unofficial order of